never really felt myself to have any sense of character. I had a character sketch done by a portrait artist some years ago, and it was entirely blank. I've looked up questions on the internet that people use when they're trying to develop a character. What sort of animal are you? The Seagull was a 4-act comedy written in 1895. I was born in 1985. Thank you. Though I can't take full credit. If I'm born again, I will. My name is Alice, but I'll also be the seagull in tonight's performance of the seagull. Traditionally not a large speaking role, the seagull nevertheless demands an intuitive sense of direction and hollow bones. So I'll be telling the story of a young bird born into a wealthy landowning family who, in a world riven by ambition, pursues her dream of becoming an actress. Yeah, I know. I didn't know that was... So, what did I do while I was preparing for this role? I did a lot of things. I watched Swan Lake, looked at pictures of Steven Seagal, but nothing really happened for me until I remembered something that David Wenham had said to me when we were working on Sea Change together. I know, he's fantastic. He really is. And when he's looking for a character, he goes out. You know, he walks around and he does it until something happens for him. And I thought, fantastic, what a fantastic opportunity for me to really, get out there, I suppose. So I went down to the wharf, to the Sydney Theatre Company, and I asked them if there had ever been any seagulls that had found their way into the theatre. If so, what the reception had been. And I spoke to a lovely man called Heath there, who showed me a picture of his Facebook page where he had a lot of photographs of seagulls under the heading "Why I Go to Work," which I thought said something very fundamental about the seagull as a kind of drive to do something, say, to be in the theatre. I did go to the cafe where they said they had seen seagulls, but mostly through the windows. There was a rumour that there was a seagull in the workshop, but actually, when I got to the workshop, it turned out to be a pigeon. And I know that a seagull can eat a live pigeon. So I thought, is it possible that a pigeon somehow could internalize that kind of violence to sort of embody the seagull? And so I asked the pigeon, what kind of animal are you? No, that was about it.